Hello everyone, my name is Aria. In class, we do creative writing worksheets with different prompts. The work I want to share is about my favorite character. I chose this topic because I want to explain to you who my favorite character. My favorite character is Makoto from the animation called The Girl Who Lived Through Time. In the movie, she is kind and friendly. I also like her because she is brave. For example, I wrote a short story on what makes she interesting. She has a special power which is for time traveling, but she can only go into the past. She got this power after she fell down into a small object at school. She has to run very fast and jump into the sky. This power seems really cool. I am proud of my drawing of this segment because it is came out pretty. Thank you for listening.